Back to the charts, Big Boss Crypto, and today we'll take a look at Chainlink and price targets for Chainlink in the next bull run. We'll do some technical analysis on Chainlink as you can see right here, basically its behavior as of recently and where price most likely will go to in the future. We'll also do some technical analysis on Bitcoin right here and basically updates on where Bitcoin might go in the next bull run. And also we will do some technical analysis on the US dollar dominance index in order to see if we are truly in a bull run or not. So without further ado, let's look at the charts. Alright, so as you can see right here, Chainlink had an amazing bull run in previously all the way from 2019 to 2021. We went from about 0.3, $0.4 all the way up to $53. So amazing bull run for those who were early in Chainlink. But as you can see with the rest of the crypto market, Chainlink had a nasty bear market where it went all the way down from $53 to right about $5 roughly. But what most interesting as you can see right here, that we have bounced in the same accumulation region for about a year now, in between $5 to about $9 roughly. So what that means is when we are in this choppy accumulation phase, as you can see right here, we will have choppiness. That basically means that the big institutions and whales are basically accumulating and basically slowly but surely buying up Chainlink, basically dollar cost averaging to prepare for the next bull run so that they can sell on the next top. But the question is then, where will the next top probably be for Chainlink? Well, if we use something called the Fibonacci retracement tool, which is an amazing tool technical analysis, if you draw that from the previous cycle top all the way down to the low, which was about $5.505. As we see right here, we have a main resistance area in the golden pocket region in between $34 to $36. And we can see our impulsive Fibonacci targets where we range in between $65 to $82. And basically our minimum target for the next bull run is the 4.236 Fibonacci region, which is about $200, which is, if you from the current price point, which is about $7 roughly, it's a huge gain and basically amazing ROI. But how will the price actually look for the Chainlink in the upcoming future? Well, most likely that we will see some choppiness basically in this region. We will basically see a double bottom form in this region we are at right now, and move up in three impulsive ways with two corrections in between. Two basically to call the golden pocket area, which is a huge resistance area for basically all kinds of assets. We'll form a double top and basically have a correction down to the lower Fibonacci levels below, maybe about $29, $23, or all the way down to $16. And then when the correction is made, which is basically a reaccumulation phase, we will see basically the new bull run truly begin, where we'll pump to these impulsive targets. And yeah, it's basically all free rolled up to the impulsive Fibonacci targets we have right here, which is like I said before, right about $60 to $82, and at least was most likely to reach at least $206 in the next bull run. So it's very exciting for Chainlink. However, what we have to remember is that in the end, Bitcoin is the king and leader of the crypto market. So basically, in other words, Chainlink and every other altcoin, they all follow the price action of Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is doing well, then altcoins is doing well as well. So basically, the projection for Bitcoin in the next bull run is most likely that we will have a rally up to the golden pocket area, which, as we can see right here, is about 48 to 50K US dollars. We'll mostly have a correction down, like I said before, reaccumulation phase down to the most likely the 30K area. We will have reaccumulation phase, and then most likely pump towards our impulse targets that we have right here, which is about 90 to 100K roughly. But it's interesting to see how will Bitcoin behave in the upcoming years, if we will only reach 100K the next bull run, or if we'll have an amazing bull run and reach our 4.236 extension target that we have had reached before, which is about 242K. That remains to see, but It's nothing is guaranteed. Like, once again, this is not financial or investment advice, but from previous cycles we will at least reach the 100k Fibonacci target. And finally, let's have a look at the DXY, the US dollar dominance index. And in case you don't know, basically when the DXY, the US dollar dominance index, is going up, it's basically very bad and bearish for cryptos and stocks, which basically means that the dollar goes up in value and all other currencies and stocks lose value. But however, when it's the opposite, then when the US dollar dominance index goes down in value, it's very good for stocks and cryptos, as we can see historically in the 2017 bull run, which was amazing, where the DXY went down, as well as the 2020 and 2021 bull run we had, even though. So, yeah, basically, when the DXY dominance goes down, it's very good for crypto and stocks. And as you see right here, when we surged all the way up from 89 all the way up to right about 114, 15, then that's where we had our very bad bear market for crypto. However, as you can see right here, we are basically at the turning point right here for DXY, as we have hovered around this huge and historical Fibonacci resistance area all the way, that's been drawn all the way from the dot-com bubble top at 2001 all the way down to the 2008 financial crisis low, as you see right here. So basically, we're in a huge turning point. Whatever, if we will truly pump to our impulse targets that we have drawn before in our previous videos, or if we will instead go down and basically have a huge bull run instead for crypto and stocks. And it most likely turns out that we will head down instead, as if you can see on the weekly time frame, we were anticipating a huge double bottom to form in the weekly time frame, but as you can see right here, the double bottom has failed to basically be formed, as we can see right here. This wick in April 10th of 2023 basically went down lower than the wick of the January, which was the beginning of the double bottom formation. So this basically invalidates the double bottom, and yeah, it most likely means that we will instead have go further down for the DXY, where we will see instead a huge bull run for cryptos and stocks in the future, and especially next year in that case. But time will tell if we will truly see that. And once again, this is not financial advice or investment advice. This is only projections, and I do not have a crystal ball. That is all from me. Thanks so much for your time. Leave a like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, or leave a dislike if you didn't. Please note, once again, this is not financial or investment advice. This is only for educational and entertainment purposes only. This is Big Boss Crypto, the reals of the real of crypto YouTubers. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Big Boss out.